All right, so this is a series of videos that describes the herbal components in my Healer's Hands Skin Balm. And I'm going to teach you what each of the ingredients does for your body one by one. And so you'll see a succession of videos that go through that. This specific skin balm, which I sell in 2 ounces, is extracted in organic coconut oil, and it is made from a blend of herbs that I have created that are intended to, I didn't create the herbs, Mother, the earth, she created the herbs through the help of human hands. They were cultivated. And anyway, it's out of the Chinese medicine cabinet. My supplier is Mayway, and Mayway carries sulfur-free, chlorine-free, and aluminum and phosphate-free herbs. And different ones are available organic and others aren't. And that's changing over time. Anyway, this specific balm is amazing. I made it so that I could have something to use while cupping people or doing body work that would deeply penetrate and also help recover the skin, because cupping causes an injury in order to pull out an injury. So anyway, it is amazing at reducing inflammation, increasing circulation, healing skin. It's antibiotic in the sense of, or antibacterial and antiviral. And it's also anti-inflammatory and has painkillers in it. It's safe enough to use on the soft tissues around the eyes and even in the eye area. If you have a sty or have a tendency to get styes, you can use it all through, all into, I have people do this anyway. If you get a sty, massage your eyelids with coconut oil for a couple of days in a row, and it'll open up the glands so that they actually clear. But with this, it has so many other healing components in it, including dragon's blood, which is a tree resin extract that is so common in cosmetic industry products these days, and it is amazing. The dragon's blood, or the tree sap resin that it is, shui jie, is so amazing. I watched when I was learning herbs when my daughter was very young. She had burned herself with a light bulb, kids, and it was on her leg, and she had such a bad burn that it was raw in the exact light bulb size. I just put straight dragon's blood powder mixed with a antibiotic ointment at the time, and just put it on there every day. She never scarred from it. It was the most beautiful healing. I never seen anything do that, and it's just outstanding. But this is, like I said, safe enough to use on your face. You can use it for gua sha. You can use it for massage. You can dilute it if you're doing, if you're trying to work through tissues and you really want to use it. It's strong enough to mix with a massage oil like grapeseed or almond oil or whatever your preference is, and dilute it down some to get it to do a deeper penetration for a whole body massage and not waste all your product. It's also really good in healing for anything in the reproductive system. These herbs are safe enough for application, internal and external genitalia. So anal fissures, cracks, and pain and inflammation from any type of itis symptom of your system. So that's it. So this is my intro to my product. You can get it on the website. You can direct message me on Instagram to get it. You can email me, and all the information obviously is on all of my media. And I will now create. This is my intro. So yeah, I take you on a journey with me through the ingredients of this herbal formula. Beautiful. Thank you.